This might seem a little out of place, but we're going to go ahead and install Blender at this point because we need Blender to verify some of the things we're going to be doing in Inkscape throughout the procedures in the rest of the Inkscape video series. So you might see this video a couple times. You might see it in the Blender section as well. Another thing I would recommend is if this is the first time you're seeing Blender, there's going to be a tutorial listed in the Blender section. I would suggest you go through it. Blender is probably the one piece of software, if you can learn it and learn it well, the world is your oyster because you can do all kinds of 3D modeling inside of Blender. Outside of what we're going to do with meshes, you can do clubhouses, you can dig your bunkers, you can dig terrain, you can forego digging terrain and do everything in Blender. It's not an easy piece of software to learn, however, it is extremely powerful. Enough of that, let's install Blender. So the first thing you're going to do is, well, we need to get out of the slideshow here. We need to go to the Blender website. If you go to blender.org, the very first page will probably link you to the most recent version of Blender. Now, at the time of this video series, which is February 19th, 2024, the installation I'm going to show you is Blender 4.0, and specifically, if I hit download here, it's Blender 4.0.2. Now, most likely, if you see 4.0.3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, you're fine. If you look and you see Blender 4.1, I don't know if that works right now. I can't tell you in the future because we have very specific scripts that we're going to be running, the OPCD tools. I don't know if they're going to run in 4.1. So my suggestion would be, if you're watching this video, download a version of 4.0. You can always come up here to download. You can come up here to releases. And you can see the latest 4.0 release will be here. So I said download Blender. It just takes me back to that same page again. Click that and it'll download. I've already downloaded it to save some time. So if I come up here, I can see there's my download image. I'm going to click on that and welcome the Blender setup. I'm going to hit next. I accept the license terms. Blender is free, so you can donate. I would recommend you donate if you can, if you're able. I hit next. And now it's going to ask me where I want to install it. Now, you might only have one hard drive. I personally like to put my course building stuff on my D drive. That is completely up to you. So I'm going to change this to D. And I'm going to hit OK. So you can see here, and you can install multiple versions of Blender. Okay, I actually have Blender 3 installed as well. They will work fine. Actually, you can see them down here. They will work fine side by side. I hit OK. It's going to ask you can just select the defaults here. I'm going to hit next, install, and then I'm going to pause. Whoops. Do you want to allow this to make changes? Yes, I do. And I'm just going to pause while this is installing. Well, I did not unpause quick enough to capture the end of that, but it did install. And you can see when I type in Blender in the search bar, there's a Blender 4.0 here. I can click this. I can click open. And Blender 4.0 will open up for me. Come on, Blender 4.0. You can see, here we go. All right. And that's it. Now, the next video, don't miss it. We have to do a couple setup things with Blender, okay? So in the next video, don't skip it. We have to do some add-ons. Don't skip it. Add-ons. Do the add-ons.